Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will see how to calculate central tendency, that is mean, median and mode using Python Jupyter notebook. For those who don't know what is central tendency, it is basically refers to a single value that summarizes a set of data by indicating the middle or center of the data. And most common central tendencies are mean, median and mode. So we will begin with the mean. What is mean? Mean is the average of all values in a data set, and it is calculated by summing all these values. It will be calculated if we take the addition of these values and divide it by the number of values, which is basically here there are 10 values. So we will see how to calculate using Python by importing some libraries. We will import a statistics library which is used to do all statistical calculations. We imported here library, it is imported successfully. Now we will do our calculation. It's very simple. Print statistics dot mean. We need to calculate the mean for mode, median and mode. Here we will write median and mode. Now here in this bracket we will give our data set, which is age. So finally we get our mean age, our average age, which is 20.8.